for ball, let's bounce ahead. C for cat, so soft and sweet. D for dog with paws and feet. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swimming along. G for goat that loves to run. H for hat that shades the sun. I for ice cream, cold and nice. J for joker, full of surprise. K for kite, flying high. L for lion, king of the sky. M for monkey, swinging free. N for nest, in a tree. O for orange, juicy and sweet. P for parrot, that talks so neat. Q for queen with a golden crown. R for rabbit, hopping around. S for sun, shining bright. T for train, a wonderful sight. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van, on the lane. W for watch, that tells the time.